Hey, this is why I tell you guys to use long absorption for ice cream and for big meals and at dinner. So this is a combination of the three. You can see the 90 grams there. One of my sons had a birthday and decided to get the other kids with his gift card a Blizzard from Dairy Queen. And Tessa got to eat a good chunk of it. You can see the 90 grams there. She did a good job guessing, but she entered as 3 hours or a taco entry and ended up sending her low. And we had a pretty light dinner to go with it, so it wasn't going to hit real hard anyways. So she ended up going low. Actually, she reduced it for a little while and treated with some juice, and then went to bed and then got sticky high. So what we did with that is I just went back and entered the changed the ice cream. I bumped it back up to what she had it at, so that it was a reasonable number, and we made that entry a pizza entry or longer, even though the icon hasn't changed there. And Loop recommended a bunch more insulin, and I also added her low treatment back into the mix. This was not carb ratio or a counting problem, just a timing issue. We've had too much insulin up front and needed to save a lot more for the back half. So hopefully that helps. So when you have ice cream, especially a big old Blizzard with lots of food, it's too much food for your body to process at once, and you got a bunch of fat in there. So we definitely need to be using longer absorption. Stick with accurate counts. Hope that helps.